If you haven't been living under a rock for the past few years, you've probably heard of NFTs, but you probably don't know what they are. And there's been a whole bunch of them coming out, with one of the most popular ones being the Bored Ape Club. And overall, these things sell for so much money, some even selling for upwards of $7 million. So to break it down in an easy way for everyone to understand, in this video I'll be covering what an NFT is, what the history behind NFTs are, how NFTs work, what types of NFTs are there, how do you buy an NFT, and how you can also sell your own NFT. So first off, what is an NFT? An NFT is pretty much a non-fungible token, which is used to represent ownership of either a digital or a physical asset. With NFTs, you're pretty much taking full custody of these random little images, and you're the only official owner. So you actually can't just go online and start screenshotting these images, because that doesn't mean that you own it. There is something called the blockchain, in which all these transactions are processed and in which an address is actually stored, which shows the actual and original owner. Funny thing is, NFTs have been around much longer than you could possibly imagine. Although they've just started recently trending for like the past 2 years, they've actually been around since 2014. And the creator of the first ever NFT is Kevin McCoy. The name of this first NFT that was ever created was actually called Quantum. But it wasn't until around 2017 that these NFT projects really started to pick up momentum, such as CryptoPunks. And the NFT space really took off in 2021, with this project called Webull's The First 5,000 Days selling for around $69.3 million, which is absolutely insane. Now that you've got a gist of what NFTs are and how exactly they first came about, how exactly do they even work? In addition to the fact that you would be the only owner when purchasing an NFT, and that would give you access to something that's considered pretty scarce, you'd actually also have a lot of perks that come with purchasing that specific NFT. And there are also other utilities that other companies have been coming up with. Now, one of the most popular projects right now is actually the Bored Ape Yacht Club, with NFTs selling for hundreds of thousands, if not even millions of dollars. And there's been a lot of celebrities endorsing these projects, such as Stephen Curry, Odell Beckham Jr., and even Justin Bieber, just to name a few. And with the Bored Ape Yacht Club, owning one of these is almost as if you're already a celebrity, just because having this thing gives you so much clout that you could use this for commercial rights, and you could use this to grow your own personal brand just by having one in your possession. Now, if you have social media, I'm pretty sure you've seen so many DMs about different projects coming out, whether they be in your spam folder or in your requested folder, and most of these are actually scams. Yes, there are a lot of NFT projects, but not all of them are legit. There's a huge chance that any project that you see on social media could easily be a rug pull, which means that the owner or the creator of that project will just take all their money out once they start to generate some type of revenue from people buying these NFTs. Although there are a bunch of NFTs, there actually are different types of NFTs. And some examples of digital NFTs could include art, collectibles, and in-game items. Now, although NFTs were first created on the Ethereum blockchain, there are other blockchains coming out with the use for NFTs, such as Solana, Flow, and Tezos. And if you're new to the NFT space, you're probably wondering where you can purchase your own, because you want to join the whole hype and start making some money off of it. So some popular platforms that you could use to start purchasing your NFTs include OpenSea, which allows you to buy NFTs using Ethereum, or you could use Polygon as their side blockchain. Solana Art, which allows you to buy NFTs using the cryptocurrency Solana. And then last but not least, we also have the Axie Marketplace, which allows you to buy these cute little adorable Axie NFTs that you could use in the actual in-game world, also known as Axie Infinity. Now that you've owned these NFTs and you've purchased them off of these platforms, you can also sell them on these exact same platforms. Usually all you have to do is put your NFT up for sale, connect your wallet, and then list it at the price that you choose. And you could also start taking offers, people could place bids, and pretty much you're on the marketplace now. So overall, NFTs are just pictures or collectibles, in-game tokens, whatever the case is. They're just collectibles that you could have for your own personal use, and you're going to be the only owner, which makes this NFT that you purchase more scarce because nobody else has that one. But there are also instances where some NFTs have multiple copies, so that's a whole nother story in itself. But overall, if you buy into a good project and it has a bunch of hype, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, this NFT can allow you to grow your own personal brand and it'll allow you to expand in the social media world. But if you guys did find this video useful, I hope you guys subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, because it truly helps out. And also, please make sure to check out any NFTs that you're interested in by doing research and allowing yourself to gain a proper knowledge and understanding on each project before you buy into it. NFTs are extremely volatile, just like cryptocurrencies, so it's vital that you do the proper research necessary before making a purchase. Also, avoid buying into any scams such as the DMs or the requests that you see on Instagram, Facebook, or any other places, because chances are these people are just going to do a rug pull and end up collecting the money that you put out for themselves. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.
See you, chump.